Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are experiencing high ping, packet loss, or frustrating lag spikes while gaming, GearUp Booster is an excellent tool to stabilize your connection. Today, I will show you exactly how to set it up and use it in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the official GearUp Booster website and download the Windows client. The installation process is completely standard. Just run the installer and follow the prompts. Once it finishes, launch the application. You will be prompted to log in. You can either create a new account or use a quick third-party login to access the dashboard. Next, on the main dashboard, look at the Games tab. GearUp Booster usually detects your installed games automatically. If your game isn't showing up, simply click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the game you want to play. Once you find it, click on the game's icon. Now it is time to boost your connection. Before clicking Boost, make sure to select your preferred server region or routing node. For the lowest ping, always choose the region closest to your physical location. Then hit the Boost button. Wait a few seconds for the network routing to establish. Once you see the success screen displaying your optimized ping, launch your game right from your desktop or launcher. It is that easy. You can now enjoy a smoother, lag-free gaming experience. Thank you for watching this ClearTask tutorial. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward tech and software tutorials. See you in the next one.